Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about interpretation. So we have the formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So that should be like this. So capital A, that is about 2s. Number 2 with 2s we have 4s. So number 3 over 2 multiplied by this one. So number 2 minus 3 over 2. So number 2 minus 3 over 2. That is about 1 over 2. The integration of this one, that is about s over number 2. The integration of cosine 4s, that is about 1 over 4 sine 4s. And I will put about c. Question number 2. We have the formula in here. This one, that is about sine 3s square. So because we have sine 3s square, I will put this one go to the right. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine 3s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative number 3 sine 3s ds. Because we don't have negative number 3, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 3. This one we change for u. Sine 3s ds we change for this one. The integration of number 1, that is about u. The integration of u square, that is about u to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put about c. About u, that is about cosine 3s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.